Simon Ammon here to give you a quick review on Venmo. It's a financial management, money management tool where you can manage your hard-earned US dollars. Um, this is mostly used for person-to-person transactions. It's owned by PayPal, so I wouldn't necessarily save money here, only put money here or use it to spend, so you can get a better bang for your buck. And my purposes here is to show you guys how to get better bang for your buck on things you're already spending money on. At least most of you are spending money on. So you can use the extra money as cash back towards savings, hopefully savings, or maybe even investing. So here we see in the Venmo card section of the app, if you don't have a card, go ahead and order one. It's free. So you see Walmart, Sam's Club, Walmart.com. Most of these are online right now due to the coronavirus, but you can see Walmart groceries offering 4% cash back, and you can see here you click on the details, $20 max cash back per day. So what you want to do is before you spend at these vendors, you want to check here in the Venmo card portion of the app, make sure that they're still paying, and see if there's any stipulations, and then go from there. Like when I first started using this like a few months ago, Chevron was paying 5% cash back, and that was great because I was already buying Chevron gas anyways. So yeah, and I understand that money you save, at least not spending money, is probably the best situation. But if you already have money allocated towards bills like groceries and other things like that that you can benefit from, then why not? Because so yeah. And here you see down here, if you don't have money in your Venmo, or if you don't have any US dollars in your Venmo, then you can have a bank account linked where your currency is available, and you can do up to $500 weekly rolling, where if you don't have a Venmo balance, then it'll automatically draw from your linked bank account up to $500 a week. So if you don't want to go through the hassle of loading up your Venmo account, then you can go about it that way when spending at grocery stores and whatever that are partnered with Venmo. So some of you might be thinking that might be better just to have a credit card, but credit card just leads to spending, a lot more spending than most people. For the average person, staying with cash is probably better, but if you build up your skill set enough with managing finances, then credit may be something to use down the line, at least for investing, um, to leverage your buying power. So anyways, so yeah, that's just a quick look at the Venmo app. Once again, the Venmo financial platform is owned by PayPal, but it's a company called Dosh that actually pays out the rewards. They have this ongoing partnership that's kind of on and off with these various vendors like Walmart and Sam's Club and others, that when you use the Venmo card to purchase goods or services, then you can qualify to get rewards. And as you can see here, I use it, and when I hit a certain dollar amount, my Venmo account, I withdraw to my bank account. And I only use Venmo for spending. I don't actually keep money here as savings. But yeah, I withdraw, and I recommend you guys withdraw if you guys use it. Hopefully to add to your savings, even though it might just be a little bit, or even make some small investments. You gotta start somewhere, and if you're already spending money on these things as a part of your budget, especially for groceries and things like that, then why not take advantage of it? So yeah, here's my my little review of the Venmo app and how you can use it to get a better bang for your buck. All right, thanks for watching, guys.